Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to set up the TTM squeeze on Thinkorswim. First, open your Thinkorswim platform and navigate to the chart you wish to analyze. The TTM squeeze is a powerful tool for spotting market consolidation, which often precedes significant price movements. We will walk through adding it to your chart and customizing its appearance for optimal clarity. This process is straightforward and will quickly integrate this valuable indicator into your analysis. To add the TTM squeeze, locate the studies icon, often resembling a beaker, at the top right of your chart interface. Click on it to open the Edit Studies window. In the search bar, type TTM squeeze and select it from the results. Then, click Add Selected to move it to your active studies list. Finally, click Apply and OK to display the indicator below your main price chart. Now, let's customize the TTM squeeze for better visualization. In the Edit Studies window, click the gear icon next to TTM squeeze. Here, you can modify parameters like the length of the Bollinger Bands and Keltner channels, which define the squeeze. You can also change the colors of the histogram and the dots to make the signals clearer for your trading style. Remember to click Apply and OK to save your changes. Interpreting the TTM squeeze is straightforward. When you see red dots on the zero line, it signifies a squeeze, indicating low volatility and potential consolidation before a big move. Green dots mean the squeeze has fired, suggesting a potential breakout in either direction. Combine this with other indicators for confirmation. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading anywhere, along with other exclusive deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.